How to use Avvo legal advice online properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume Avvo's online legal advice is a shortcut to solving every legal problem, but the surprising truth is that beginner mistakes can cost time, money, and even lead to poor legal outcomes. The first mistake is relying solely on answers without context. Avvo provides consultations, but beginners often treat advice as comprehensive guidance. Legal issues vary by state and situation, so follow-up questions and professional verification are critical. Another common error is ignoring lawyer credentials. Avvo lists lawyers with ratings, but beginners sometimes choose the first response without checking experience, bar status, or area of specialization. Choosing the wrong lawyer can delay your case or create unnecessary complications. Many users also mismanage confidentiality. Posting sensitive details publicly or in the section can compromise privacy. Beginners should be cautious about sharing personal or business information online. Failing to clarify fees is another pitfall. Free answers are helpful, but extended consultations or documents usually involve payment. Beginners who assume all services are free can face unexpected costs. Finally, some users neglect to follow up. Advice online is only useful if implemented correctly. Beginners who ignore next steps risk incomplete or ineffective solutions. To use Avvo legal advice properly, verify lawyer credentials, ask follow-up questions, protect your privacy, clarify fees, and implement guidance carefully. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll get practical, actionable legal help while minimizing risks.